अलग अलग तरह से अलग अलग जगह से खबर आई थी। 3 बार जाकर उसको पुष्टि करने का प्रयत्न किया गया, कोशिश की गई अलग अलग सुरागों को लेकर पता लगाने का कि कहां पर क्या है क्या नहीं है। उसके बाद डीएनए मैचिंग शुरू हुई। हो सकता है डीएनए मैच ना करता तो आज भी हम आपको नहीं बता सकते थे।
We know that one person escaped from that group and he said the others have been killed. That was almost 4 years ago, certainly more than 3 years ago. Now for 3 years you've had that information. You've had no confirmation they are alive. Why do you keep false hope alive just in order to look as if something positive is happening when nothing is happening? In any case, once again, my prayers for the families who have lost their dear ones after being really encouraged by the government for 4 years to believe that these people were alive. Very sad.
It should have been announced earlier, but it's very sad. But I think when they disappeared and one boy escaped from there, उन्हें आके दसिया सी के सारे मारते।
दुख की बात है, पूरा देश अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता है। पहले से भी हमको संदेह था कि शायद वो जीवित नहीं हैं और हम उनके परिवारों को अपना तरफ से शोक व्यक्त करते हैं।
For the last 3 years, it has been said in the house that they are dead. The people who have contacted the External Affairs Minister themselves said that they are died. And yet the government was in denial all the time because they wanted to do nothing to get them.
There were 40 of them and he was the only one who did whatever he did and ran off from there and did not give any proof of the fact that they were alive. And the fact is that after that they were alive. The fellow who was going them to give them their food, the canteen himself confirmed that he was giving them food and they were alive. And after they were shifted out, even the fellow, the owner who was hiring them, the concern, even he is confirmed.
I think so. It's a very unfortunate thing what has happened. I would now request the government, please financially compensate these families because they are all from the poor strata of the society. They have been undergoing traumatic times. It's been years since they have lost their dear ones, the only ones who earn something, who were the bread earners. So you need to compensate them.